In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Surveymonkey email. This straightforward process will ensure that you keep your Surveymonkey account up to date with your current email, whether you're changing your email for security reasons, updating to a more professional email address, or simply because you no longer have access to the old one. This guide will help you through each step smoothly. First off, you'll need to make your way to the Surveymonkey homepage. Begin by logging into your account. If you're using Google to log in, click on the login button, select Google, and then choose the account you wish to use. This step is seamless and gets you into your dashboard in no time. Once you're logged in, navigate back to the home page and click on the projects section. This takes you to the core of Surveymonkey, where all your survey projects are stored. It's from here that we'll move towards accessing your account settings. Next, find and click on My Account. This option is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. It's your gateway to adjusting any personal details on your Surveymonkey account, including your email address. Within the My Account section, you'll see various options for customizing your account settings. Look for the section or link marked Email and give it a click. This will direct you to an area specifically for managing your email settings, a crucial step in our process. Upon navigating to the email section, you'll notice an Edit button. Clicking this button will allow you to modify your current email details. It's an important step as it provides the input fields necessary for updating your information. At this juncture, you'll be required to type in a few key details, your current email for verification purposes, the new email you wish to switch to, and your password to confirm your identity. Ensure you have access to the new email account you're switching to, as you'll likely need to verify the change later on. Finally, after inputting all the required information, locate and press the Change Email button. This action confirms your changes and initiates the process of updating your email address within Surveymonkey system. It's worth noting that after changing your email, you might be prompted to verify the new address. So keep an eye on your inbox for any confirmation or verification emails from Surveymonkey and follow the instructions provided. By following these steps, you'll successfully update your email address linked to your Surveymonkey account. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for receiving important notifications, survey results, and ensuring that your account remains secure. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions about Surveymonkey or need further assistance, feel free to explore our other tutorials or visit the Surveymonkey Help Center. Happy surveying!